Hello everyone, welcome to another video talking about bookmarking on the Google Chrome browser. And for those people who don't know what bookmarking is a feature which is built in the Google Chrome browser, and it allows the browser itself to remember the particular websites, and it also allows the users to arrange those websites and put those websites in different folders, as you can see now. So it makes your browser looks gorgeous, looks beautiful and organized. In this case, let's say I want to read news, so because I place different websites into the new folders, then if I want to go to RFI or Radio France International or VOA or The Guardians, then I just click on it and then it will take me directly and quickly to the Guardian News website without having me to type it again. And the same, you can also store or save or let your browser remember as many browsers as possible. Okay, and it is even more interesting because you can save these kinds of bookmark browsers on different devices. Let's say if you use your computer at home, but then you also want to save everything over here in the bookmark over here on another on another device at your workplace, then it's also possible as long as you log in with the same email address, particularly the Gmail address. And I think my demonstration or my sharing won't be enough without you seeing how it is done. And also, if you do it yourself, you will be able to know it better and explore more. Alright, so now let me switch to another browser, or on another computer, so that I won't mess up with my stuff that I organize over here on my browser. Alright, and also it gives you the opportunity to see how it is done from the beginning. Okay, are you ready? If you're ready, then let's do it together. And if you feel that you are not quick to learn something, then you have your own ways, right? A book, a paper or a piece of paper, a pencil or a pen, and after that you can pause the video and you can write down the stuff and do it at the same time. Maybe it's going to make you learn quickly. And this is the trick of mine. If you believe you can do it, you won't be able to do it. And when you believe you can and you try to do it, I'm sure that you're going to be able to do it. Don't think that IT is very difficult. If many people can do it, you are one of them as well. Okay, so let's do it from scratch, talking about Google Chrome, not about giving lectures. Okay, so first you need to take a look at the right corner at the top over here. You see a little icon of a person. It looks like a person, yes. And then you have to, once again, click on this icon, and then hit the word turn on sync. To sync means to transfer the information from one device to another and vice versa. Okay, so turn on sync, and it requires you to use your Gmail address. So in this case I use my Gmail address. Okay, so I like to have my name in it. Okay, now I have to type the password. Okay, so yes, I'm in. Of course, yes, I'm in. Okay, now after you sign in already, then let's say you have to visit a few websites. Let's say I go to Will Decide. Okay, I go to let's say Kahoot. Okay, I go to one more. I go to YouTube. Okay, I go to another one. I go to online dictionary, so Cambridge, for example. Alright, so I have 4 tabs. Okay, and let's say I go to Will Design. So for those people who don't know what Will Design is, it allows you, especially teachers or maybe your trainer, to pick up someone. Okay, so let's say you want to remember this really site by first you have to type the names. Let's say I put my just imaginary names, so John, William, Jennifer, something like that. Okay, and then I give the title, let's say morning class, and then I click apply will change. So yeah, I will have the name on the top over here. I will click and I move like that. All right, so if you have, let's say, two classes, morning, afternoon, then you can bookmark it so that next time you don't have to type the names or whatever. You just click on the link, and then it takes you directly to that website. Okay, so how can I bookmark, or how can I make the browser remember this? Okay, so I want you to enable the bookmark first. So go to this three dots which represent options, and then go down to bookmarks, and after that go to show bookmark bar. Okay, hit it. All right, so you will see one bar appears under the URL search box over here, and now you will need to hit the star, which means to bookmark this tab. All right, and then add bookmark. Okay, so it has the name will decide morning. So if you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to change it later, just click on done now. All right, and now here it is. Well, maybe you have another class. For example, you have another class, the afternoon one. So I will open will decide one more. I will show you how cool it is. Okay, so let's say I close this one because I already bookmarked it. Okay, so this is my afternoon class. I might go to the title first. So afternoon class. Okay, and then I go to this and I type again the imaginary names. Okay, so maybe Sina, maybe Michael, maybe what is it, maybe Visna, it's my name, or maybe it's Kakada. Okay, all of my names, the two below here, and then I hit apply will changes. Okay, and now I go to hit this star button over here, icon, I mean star icon, click on add bookmark, and it automatically names it to the afternoon class. I hit it, and now I have to will decide. So let's say I go to afternoon class, I will see Visna, Kakada, Sina, and Michael. If I hit this link, it will take me to the morning class. So you see, it's very cool. You don't have to type and write the names again. It saves a lot of time. So, and okay, so I close this one. I want to bookmark Cambridge Dictionary Online over here. So this is a great website, guys. If you like it, you also can bookmark this website. Okay, so let's say I want to bookmark this website, and then I can just click once again the star icon over here, and then click on add bookmark. And maybe this name is long, very long, so maybe you just write Cambridge Dictionary and you erase the rest. Okay, it also works. So click on done. All right, now you have a dictionary. One more, you close this one, and now let's go to YouTube. All right, okay, that's great. Okay, so now you want your browser to remember YouTube. You don't have to go and type youtube.com. Just hit this little icon, click on add bookmark, click on done, and now you have bookmarked 4 websites. Okay, so let's say you close it, and then when you open it again, you will see the same things that you have bookmarked previously. Oh, why it doesn't work? Okay, it works. Oops, okay, because I have 2 users on this browser. Okay, here it is. Okay, and now because if you have bookmarked more and more websites, then it's going to look messy. In this case, you want to group them together. Do right click, and after that choose, move down your cursor to the word add folder. Click on it, and then maybe this one is will decide. Alright, okay, and click on save. You have the will decide folder. If you want to move it around, you want to reorder it, just hold down your left mouse, and after that you move it. Okay, and now if you want to put this into this folder, just drag it and put it into the folder. Drag it, put it in folder. Okay, and let's say you create more folder and you write dictionary. Okay, so I'm sorry, not page, go to folder. Let's say if you want to delete it, just do right click and choose the word delete. Okay, and do right click on the bookmark bar, click on add folder, and then type the name of the folder. Let's say dictionaries. Hit save, and then you drag it and drop it here. Okay, and if you have more and more websites that you want to classify into different folders, let's do it that way. Okay, so hopefully you can do it. And if you want to let's say open it on another computer, then make sure you sign in with the same email address, and then you will be able to see the same things. Okay, so that is the end of the video. If you have any problem with bookmarking different websites, then leave your comments down below this video, and see you in the next video.